We wished for good times. You know, a piece of the pie. And was it to be flamboyant? We wished to ride the wave of the rich, but drowned in the deadly current of the abyss of poverty and abandonment. Most parents were absent. We reached out to be held, but got pushed to the depths of hell, to where that one angel fell. Counterfeit dreams to us was good money, stolen souls, brainless bodies, ghetto mummies, hell zombies. We looked for exit ways and guidance, but we was pointed in the other direction. When some saw the light, all we got was dark reflections, incarceration, and pressing buttons of hospital walls for more morphine injections or funeral processions. We looked for sanctuary, but found ourselves in a penitentiary for chasing currency. Relentlessly looking for love, we looked at doves, symbolizing the ones we love. We watched their soul fly away when the boats lowered them that day, those days, many days. We had each other from born day to mourn day, then lawn day, the days those doves flew away. We got cheered on by the negative actions, expendable gladiators in a game for assassins. We became pros at our craft. We were doctor hustlers, bullets entering skin with hood vaccinations, our street arbitration for hood violations. We were just too blind to see. We were drawing blood and getting blood drawn, hood phlebotomy. No knowledge, so we repeat history. Distorted family trees for destroying the leaves that bloom from the seed. Widows and woe for what we wove. It was the only path given, so we ran oblivious and oblivion. Felt like we was God's forgotten children, so we made spoiled decisions that left a lot of guys rotten with a plot and they face inscribed on WAP, so we would never forget them. Infinite.